Kau pergi halat tempe, kaya mila pati chame, ramonelle, aqua ber.
Tibaye wala ke yamba sarani sona.
Pemuda kau ye, tak pakai arah. So much respect. No wonder this was so disrespectful. Aqua mega guy talking shit. I take raw.
Mega me the talking shit. I didn't. I didn't cloud level.
Han tu aja lah. Hati ga tera seba, aloga pemuda ba. Atera. Mega na pemuda chola dah mai lah.
Do you love me? Nemi ayanin the bachura ba?
Na hua photo mu.
The chura lonyo ni la da mo nemi edati da ba ma fa da you know.
Fitana Tibaye wala ke yamba sarani sona.
We're here. We started for a camping trip and look at this beautiful view, this beautiful nature. And we're gonna have our picnic right now. Some people are hungry on the trip. So yeah. Camping at Ramu.
Kalau betul global raya ni cica tak ramai lagi ada lo.
Yetumena tahuta Komunina ta ya shalom Namere ele yani pati amo Hisu to ye thala tamla tu Koplola Namene Wala ye so Koplola Namene Wala ye hitiliya Na Kamina Wala kamamu toke ye thata eri kamina Na Fitana Tibaye wala ke yamba sarani sona Ya he with asuna Balu bapuya Ta eya hina so
Good camping. We're out here in the nature and just enjoy food, sticking rice with pork. Oh. Jamming. I can't be waffle or Sadum. That data that thought of it. What's that? The sort of stable for that talk. Get open up on the campsite. We came here since the morning. I was still struggling to find a place to sleep in.
Na Kamina Wala kamamu toke ye thata eri kamina Na Fitana Tibaye wala ke yamba sarani sona Ya he with asuna Balu bapuya Ta eya hina So quinera nyanyore Ya oro ye
Yeah, my friend says the camping place that you're about to go is gonna be cold. I bring so many blankets, man. I bring jumper, hoodies. When I got here, oh boy, I was left disappointed, man. Very disappointed. They promised coldness. All I can feel is the heat. The biggest light started off the year. Already been lied to, man. What a disappointment. But what can I say? Things don't always go as planned. And not every day the weather is not the same. So it is what it is. There's nothing you can do. I'm just gonna enjoy the time of the day and spend the night camping with the family and the fam. Have some little barbecue, cook up, eat up. Yeah. So I'll see you soon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. We go camping with the llama. I camping with the llama. Myo, but I almost got shot a let the po. Click.
Ta ya shalom Namere ele yani patiyamo Hisu to ye thala tamla tu Koplola Namene Wala ye so Koplola Namene Wala ye hitiliya Na Kamina Wala kama mutoke ya thata eri kamina Na Thitana Tiba ye
My
wala
little nephew, Baba, we're going for a swim. Baba, you excited? Let's go. Woo. You scared? Why? Yeah.
Want to see that? Okay, wait. Let me take your shirt off. Yeah, take off. No, you don't have to take that off on your shirt. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Put it off, don't forget. You want to put it off or no? Not to put it on, yeah?
Na Kamina Wala kama mutoke ya thata eri kamina
Ya na tempo te ya tani tola Yeshu milaka la yawa Tala temeka munilo Tala temeka munilo Daki me pata da ame Da blue to salo no to se Kalime hesu Subasa ya no te ki La wela ta Yeshu milaka La yago ta te meka Munilo ta te meka munilo Asotado atasipa petilba mamuyata dawatari milopwala masayadite wedata Yeshu milakla layago tagatemeka munilo tagatemeka munilo.
It's late at night right now. It's 1 a.m. and it's really cold and
The promised coldness, all I can feel is like it's the biggest light. Started off the year, already been light too, man. What a disappointment.
it's such a nice weather compared to where I live, Volga. It's so hot up there, but right here it's so cold and so nice. And just getting the breeze of air and everything just feels so
Ele yani patiyamo Hisu to ye thala tamla